ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 803। तम एतम आत्मानं विदित्वा पुत्रैषणायाश्च वित्तैषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च युद्धाय अथ भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति। दिस इज द part of the mantra that we are discussing. In the bhashya we saw putraishanayah putrartha eshana putraishana putrena imam lokam jayeyam iti lokajaya sadhanam putram. Why there is putraishana, why there is desire for son? Because it is said that he will do the Vaidika karma after you, and therefore you will get this world. Putrena imam lokam jayeyam. Iti lokajaya sadhanam is putra. Putra is lokajaya sadhana. Putram prati ichha eshana dara sangraha. So dara sangraha means patni. You need putra, therefore you need dara, patni. Third number tippani. तदुक्तम वार्तिके पुत्रोत्पत्तिम समुद्दिश्य दारान परिजिगृक्षति यतो दारार्थ उद्योगस ततः पुत्रेषण उच्यते. उत्पत्तिम समुद्दिश्य, keeping putra utpatti in mind, he does the parigrahanam of dara. Daran parijigrakshati. Jigraksha, I already gave the answer. Grahitum. Daran. Daran, how many wives? Minimum? How एक वचन? Daran. Dar is Pullinga Shabda Nitya Bahuvachana. So Daran means one wife. Not many. It is Pullinga Shabda and it is Nitya Bahuvachan Shabda. Daran Parijigrakshati. Yato Darartha Udyagaha Tataha Putreshana Uchyate. Therefore, any efforts to acquire wife is called Putreshana. And Dara Sangraha means Vivaha. Dara Sangraham Akritva. So, person who wants to take sannyasa, he has to do Dara Asangraha. Dara Sangraham Akritva. Further, in Tika, Vittaishanayascha Vyutthanam, he has to leave all the desire for the wealth also. Vittam Dvividham, Manusham Daivam Cha. Wealth is of two types. Manusham Vittam, Daivam Vittam. Vittaishanayascha Karma Sadhanasya. Gavadehe Upadanam अनेन कर्म कृत्वा पितृलोकम जेष्यामि इति विद्या संयुक्तेन वा देवलोकम केवलया वा हिरण्यगर्भ विद्यया दैवेन वित्तेन देवलोकम. वित्तैषणायाश्च कर्म साधनस्य Vitteshana is karma sadhana. The desire for wealth is to do karma. So Vitteshana karma sadhanasya gavadehe upadanam, like having cows, etc., by which one can perform karma. That karma will give him pitruloka. Gavadehe upadanam anena karma kritva pitrulokam jeshyami. This is his thought. Iti vidya sanyuktena va devalokam. So I shall attain pitruloka, the worlds of the ancestors. Iti vidya sanyuktena va devalokam kevalaya va hiranyagarbha vidyaya daivena vittena devalokam. Vidya sanyuktena karma will give devalokam, or kevalaya hiranyagarbha vidyaya, only by the hiranyagarbha vidya means upasana. Daivena vittena devalokam, with deva vitta I shall attain devalokam, means I shall attain the higher worlds. So putra, karma and vidya. Tika. Manusham gavadi. Manusham gavadi. Manusham kim? Vittam. Gavadi. Tasya karma sadhanasya upadanam. That manusham vittam karma sadhanasya upadanam. Upadanam grahanam. Uparjanam. By acquiring cows, etc., tena karma kritva kevalena karmana pitrulokam jeshyami. By kevala karma, I shall attain pitruloka. Daivam vittam vidya. Vidya means upasana. That is the Daivam vittam, because that requires faith, shraddha in Shastra, in Devata, and that I shall attain the higher worlds, etc. Daivam vittam vidya. Tat sanyuktena karmana devalokam. Vidyaya sanyuktena karmana devalokam. Athva kevalaya cha vidya, or just by keval vidya also. Tam eva jeshyami. Tam devalokam jeshyami. Iti ichha. This ichha is called vitteshana. Means this, through vitta I shall attain devaloka. So I want vitta first. From that also, tatasya vyutthanam kartavyam. That also I have to give up. I have to, in English we don't say get up from there, we say get out of it. Vyutthanam means viparita utthanam. So I have no more desires now for wealth. I have no more desire for son or any progeny. Iti kartavyam iti vyachaste karma sadhanasya. Etena lokaishanayascha vyutthanam uktam veditavyam. By these two, etena, by putreshana and vitteshana utthanena, lokeshana also, now I am not interested in ayam lokaha, pitruloka, devaloka, I am not interested in going anywhere. Uktam veditavyam. So common people is believe that there is some swarga, devaloka, and I do some have vairagya from other worlds also. Now there is a Purva Paksha. Daivad vittat vyutthanam akshipati. This is Bhartra Prapancha Mata again has an akshepa. That I can give up putra, I can give up karma, but I cannot give up upasana. Daivad vittat. Daivam vittam is upasana. From that I cannot give up, somebody says. So you have to keep in mind, Siddhanti is talking about someone who wants to take sannyas. Purva Pakshi says, in sannyas also keep upasana. So according to Siddhanta Mata, for moksha, sannyasa means sannyasa is for moksha. Somebody who is interested in moksha will take sannyasa, because moksha is only through jnana. Purva Pakshi feels moksha requires upasana balam also. Therefore, he says, I will not let go of upasana. This is the Purva Paksha. Daivad vittat vyutthanam eva nasti iti kechit. From Daiva Vitta, there is no Vyutthanam. Daivad Vittat Vyutthanam eva nasti. It Kechit. Kechit, third number tippani, Bhartru Prapancha Matanu Yainaha. Yasmat, why do they say that I should not let go of Upasana? Yasmat tad balena hi kila Vyutthanam iti. Only on the strength of that I will take sannyasa. Therefore, I should not let go of Upasana. This is their argument. टीका तस्यापि कामत्वात् ततो व्युत्थातव्यम इति परिहरति. Siddhanti says that upasana also has desire ingrained. When you worship anything, Hiranyagarbha or Ishvara, there is desire. I want this, I want that, this problem should go, that problem should go. Therefore, you have to let go of desires. Yutthanam vyuttatavyam iti pariharati. Tad asat in bhashya. एतावान वै काम इति पठितत्वात् एषणा मध्ये दैवस्य वित्तस्य. एतावान वै काम, it was said in the first chapter, Chaturtha Brahmana 1.4.17. The section of desires. Desire in the form of I want children, I want wealth, I want to do good karmas, I want to acquire punya, I will attain higher worlds. All this is desire. And only away from this, different from this, is desirelessness, total vairagya. So they are two different. The one who has Eshanatraya Tyaga, that vairagya means sannyasa. Later it will be said, study of Shastra without vairagya is not called study. It is incomplete. So Pandityam, when he will say, Pandityena tishthaseth, Pandityam nirvidya, Balyena tishthaseth, Pandityam cha balyam nirvidya atha munihi. So in that he will discuss, Pandityam means vairagya sahit adhyana. So etavan vai kama iti pathitatvat eshana madhye दैवस्य वित्तस्य. दैवस्य वित्तस्य एषणा मध्ये पठितत्वात्. दैवम वित्तम falls in the category of eshana only, desire. Tarhi Brahma Vidya टीका. Tarhi Brahma Vidyayaha Sakashadapi Vyutthanat Tanmula Dhvamse Tad Vyaghatah Syat iti Ashankya. Tarhi then Brahma Vidyayaha Sakashad api Vyutthanat Tanmula Dhvamse Tad Vyaghatah Syat. So when, if Brahma Vidya, from that also Brahma Vidyayaha Sakashad api Vyutthanat, According to Purva Paksha, Upasana Vidya will give me balam for sannyasa. You say if I give up that, and sannyasa is for Brahma Vidya. Okay? So see, you have a Upasana Vidya will give balam for sannyasa, which is for Brahma Vidya. If I give up Upasana Vidya, I will not have balam to pursue Brahma Vidya. So that's what he says. Brahma Vidyayaha sakashadapi vyuthana tal mule dhvansa. Mula dhvansa, mula is this Upasana Vidya. Mule dhvanse tad vyaghatah syat. So then what is the point in pursuing Brahma Vidya thereafter? इति आशंक्याः हिरण्यगर्भादि देवता विषया एव विद्या वित्तम इत्युच्यते. हिरण्यगर्भादि देवता विषया विद्या is vittam. Brahma Vidya is not vittam. Brahma Vidya you will be able to pursue independently. Independently means Upasana balam, once you have acquired to take sannyasa, thereafter you don't need Upasana. You can pursue Brahma Jnanam, Brahma Vidya with that strength. Why Hiranyagarbhadi Devata Vishaya Vidya is called Vittam? Tika. देवतोपासनाया वित्त शब्दित विद्यात्वे हेतुमाह देवलोक हेतुत्वात्, because it is देवलोक हेतु. तत् प्राप्ति हेतुत्वं ब्रह्म विद्यायाम अपि तुल्यम इति चेत. Somebody says Brahma Vidya also can give Devaloka Prapti. So, tat prapti hetutvam Brahma Vidyayam api tulyam. Iti chet na. No. Nahi nirupadhika prajnana ghana vishaya Brahma Vidya Devaloka Prapti hetu. Nirupadhika prajnana ghana means Brahma. Nirupadhika prajnana ghana vishaya Brahma Vidya is not Devaloka Prapti hetu. Devaloka Prapti hetu, what will be the samasa vigraha? Online students.
देवलोक प्राप्तेः हेतुः.
देवलोक प्राप्ति, देवलोकस्य प्राप्ति, देवलोक प्राप्ति ही, देवलोक प्राप्तेः हेतुः ब्रह्म विद्या. In other words, Brahma Vidya is not Devaloka Prapti Hetu. That Nakara is there in the beginning. Brahma Vidya is not Devaloka Prapti Hetu. Upasana Vidya is Devaloka Prapti Hetu. Therefore, Upasana Vidya is called Vittam. Brahma Vidya is not considered as wealth. तत्र फलांतर श्रवणम हेतु करोति. हेतु करोति. What is the sutra? Which is the pratyaya?
Chve pratyaya.
And what is the sutra?
Chvaucha.
What sutra does Chvi pratyaya? The Chvaucha, remember, Chvaucha sutra is for Dirgha. Hetu karoti. But what sutra does the Chvi pratyaya?
अभूत तद्भावे कृभस्ति योगे संपद्य कर्तरि चीति.
फलांतर श्रवणम हेतु करोति. फलांतर श्रवणम हेतु करोति means this is the hetu he mentions. Tasmat tat sarvam abhavat atma hi esham sabhavati iti shrutehe. What is the purpose of this shruti here? What is the point in quoting this here? Sannyasa Prakranam is going on. He showed Brahma Vidya is different from Upasana Vidya. Now Tasmat Tat Sarvam Abhavat. Brahma Vidya is not Devaloka Prapti Hetu. Brahma Vidya is Sarvatma Prapti. Tasmat Sarvam Abhavat. This is the Phalantaram. Upasana Vidya Phalam is Devaloka Prapti. Brahma Vidya Phalam is Sarvatma Bhav Prapti. He becomes Atma of all. All means Devata. Brahmagyani understands I am the Atma even of Hiranyagarbha, even of Indra, Agni, all the Prajapati, all Devatas. Then why would he do any Upasana anymore? Iti Shrutehe. Itasya Brahma Vidya Daivad Vittat Bahihi Eva Ityaha. For this reason also, Itasya Brahma Vidya is not included in Daivam Vittam. It is not a wealth in the form of acquiring something external. Brahma Vidya is highest wealth, but this wealth is not for attaining some Parichinna Vastu, because I have understood I am all in this. Tad balena hi vyutthanam etam vai tam atmanam viditva iti vishesha vachanat. And Purva Pakshi's concern is that how will I, if I give up Upasana, how will I pursue Sannyasa? He says, you don't worry, your strength for Sannyasa will come from this Brahma Vidya. As you go on studying this, you will have desire to give up everything. So, tad balena hi vyutthanam. And that is said in this mantra, etam vai tam atmanam viditva iti vishesha vachanat. Tika, prageva vedanam siddham chet. Now you see we are entering into a technical discussion. So it is said, by Brahma Vidya you will get balam for sannyasa. So should I have Brahma Vidya before sannyasa or after sannyasa? Right? So if I say Brahma Vidya is before sannyasa, first I get Brahma Vidya, then I will get balam. After that balam I will take sannyasa. So they say there is no need to have any vidhi for sannyasa thereafter. Because for a jnani there is no injunction. So then the question would be, okay, I will have Brahma Vidya after sannyasa. So then where will my balam come from for sannyasa? So this is the discussion now. Prag eva vedanam siddham chet. If the jnanam is siddham before sannyasa, prag means sannyasat prag. Prag eva vedanam siddham chet, kim punaha vyutthanena iti ashanke. If knowledge is already there before, then after that, why should I take sannyasa? Why should anyone take sannyasa? In other words, sannyasa vidhanam will not be there. Iti ashankya. Prayojaka jnanam tat prayojakam uddeshyam tu tattva sakshatkaranam iti vivakshitva aha. Prayojaka jnanam तत्प्रयोजकम उद्देश्यम प्रयोजक ज्ञानम टिप्पणी नंबर 8 आपात ज्ञानम परोक्ष ज्ञानम वा. So prayojaka means sannyasa prayojaka, that jnanam which will prompt you to renounce everything and then study. That prayojaka jnanam is apatata jnanam or paroksha jnanam. Means in that jnanam there will be samshaya viparyaya etc. Doubts will be there, some questions will be there etc. प्रयोजक ज्ञानम तत्प्रयोजकम उद्देश्यम प्रयोजक ज्ञानम is this paroksha jnana and its uddeshya is sannyas. Means paroksha jnanam is required for sannyasa. You don't need aparoksha jnanam for sannyasa. Paroksha jnanam will naturally make you inclined for sannyasa. Once aparoksha jnanam is there, person has no interest in anything. Aparoksha jnanam. When paroksha jnanam is there, on the strength of that, he has understood that world does not have anything to offer to me, and that person will let go of all the desires, will pursue Brahma Vidya. So prayojaka jnanam tat prayojakam uddeshyam tu tattva sakshat karanam iti vivakshitva. So you have to split this here actually. Prayojaka jnanam tat prayojakam kama uddeshyam tu tattva sakshat karanam. Prayojaka jnanam is prayojaka for sannyasa. Means sannyasa you will attain through samshaya viparyaya sahita jnanam. That jnanam which still has doubts, which still have erroneous notions, but you are capable enough with that to renounce the world. And uddeshyam, that sannyasa is for tattva sakshatkara. Iti vivakshitva aha. Tasmat tribhyo api etebhyo anatma loka prapti sadhanebhya eshana vishayebhyo vyuthaya. Tribhya means putra vitta loka eshana traya. Etebhyo anatma loka prapti sadhanebhya. These three are the means for anatma loka prapti. Eshana vishayebhyo vyuthaya, having risen above the eshana vishayas, and then they take the path of dikshacharyam charanti. Tika prayojaka jnanam panchamyartha. So tasmat tribhyo api etebhyo anatma loka prapti sadhanebhya eshana vishayebhya vyuthaya. So this is all prayojaka jnanam. Vyuthaya bhikshacharyam charanti iti sambandha. After vyuthanam, what you have to do? Means you have to remember, vyuthaya bhikshacharyam charanti means shravanadi is the mukhya sadhana, not only bhiksha. Vyuthana swarupa pradarsanartham eshana swarupam aha. Vyuthana swarupam, that vairagya swarupam, swarupa pradarsanartham eshana swarupam. Eshana kamaha. Eshana means desires, kama. एतावान वै कामः इति श्रुतेः. एतावान वै कामः means all this is within kama, that we already saw. किम एतावता इति आशंक्य व्युत्थान स्वरूपम आह. By this, what will happen? So it is said, etas means trividhe anatmaloka prapti sadhane trishnam akritva. In these three, putra, vitta, and loka, he has given up all desires for these. These three are anatma loka prapti sadhane. Anatma loka prapti sadhane trishnam akritva, that having no desires for them, person pursues atma jnana, self knowledge. Sambandhastu purvavat. So then purvavat means they have given in Tippani, they have given all answers, so it is too easy. Sambandha, to earlier Sambandha was given, Vyuthaya Bhikshacharyam Charanti iti. That same Sambandha will come here also. Tika. Yahi eva. So what is the sequence now? First he does Karma Upasana. Then he acquires the Balam and he is ready to give up everything. Meanwhile, he has done some Apatata Shravana. Some where he has heard some Upanishads, some Gita, some Prakarana Grantha, etc. Then he develops this Vairagya. That now I am not interested in pursuing all the other things because it is Anitya and I have pursued that over so many janmas. It is the same story. I have not moved further an inch. So he gives up everything and now he takes sannyasa. Then he studies thoroughly, systematically. So that sannyasa before Brahma Vidya is called Vividisha sannyasa. Then he renounces everything, does Shravanadi, and then Aparoksha Jnanam takes place. That is called Vidvat sannyasa. He has actually dropped everything. And in this Vyuthaya atha Bhikshacharyam Charanti. So really speaking, what is sannyasa? Sannyasa is nothing but Eshana Traya Tyaga. This is Mukhya sannyasa. Changing clothes, changing name, etc., etc. is all gauna. It will help you in pursuing your Mukhya goal, Mukhya Dhyaya. Tika. Yahi eva ityadi shrute tatparyam aha. So yahi eva putreshana sa lokeshana. Like that it is given, right? In the mantra. Yahi eva ya vityeshana sa lokeshana. Like sarva hi sadhanecha phalecha iva. Whatever is the sadhana ichha is sadhya ichha only. Phala means sadhya. Desire for any sadhana is actually desire for sadhya only. Means I am really not interested in the means. I am interested only in the goal. For that goal, I take up this means, that means, something or the other. Tika. Phalam nechati sadhanam cha chikirshati iti vyaghatat. Somebody says, I am not interested in the phalam, but I am interested in the sadhana. This is vadato vyaghat. You are just fooling yourself. Everybody is interested in phalam. Phalecha antarbhuta eva sadhana ichha. This desire for means is within the desire for goal itself. Therefore, tad yuktam eshana aikyam ityartha. Therefore, that they are one only. Therefore, how many eshanas are there? Only one. So, what is the page number? Mantra. 791. So on 792, it is given Yahi Veva Putreshana 91, sorry. Yahi Veva Putreshana Sa Vitteshana. Ya Vitteshana Sa Lokeshana. So first he says Putreshana is Vitteshana, Vitteshana is Lokeshana. Means all the sadhana, they culminate in sadhya. Then he says there are two eshanas, sadhana and sadhya. Uvehi ete eshane bhavata. Sadhanecha tad yuktam eshana aikyam. Eshana aikyam means that there is oneness between those sadhana and sadhya eshana. Shrutehe tad aikya vyutpadakatvam prashnapurvakam vyutpadayati. In Shruti, that the aikyam is given, yahi putreshana sa vitteshana, ya vitteshana sa lokeshana. On that there is a question. Katham? So ato vyachaste Shruti hi eka eva eshana iti. Katham? Yahi eva putreshana sa vitteshana. Drishta phala sadhanatva tulyatvat. Putreshana and vitteshana, they have phala sadhanatvam. Both of them, they have phala sadhanatvam. What is that phalam? Drishta phalam. Putra is helpful for this world. Vittam here you have to take as mostly manusham vittam. It will help you only for this world. And some shraddha in Veda, etc. is required. Only then I will get human birth again. Otherwise, that chance is also gone. Drishta phala sadhanatva tulyatvat. Ya vitteshana sa lokeshana. And that desire for wealth is actually nothing but desire for higher worlds that I am pursuing. Phaleshana antarbhavam sadhanaishanaya samarthayate. So phaleshana antarbhavam has with sadhanayashana. Within sadhanayashana, so which is within what? Phaleshana is within sadhanayashana or sadhanayashana is within phaleshana?
Sadhana Yashana is in within Phaleshana.
Sadhya Eshana is Mukhya, Sadhana is Antarbhava. Sarvah Phalartha Prayukta Eva hi Sarvam Sadhanam Upadatte. Sarvah Phalartha Prayukta. All Phalartha Prayukta Eva hi Sarvam Sadhanam Upadatte. All the sadhanas are acquired because of that. Sarvam Sadhana Upadatte. Ataha eka eva eshana. Therefore, there is only one eshana. Ubhe hi ityadi shrutim avatarya vyachaste. So now, in Shruti said, Ubhe hi eshane eva bhavataha. Ya lokeshana sa sadhanam antarena sampadaitum na shakyate iti. desire for the loka cannot be accomplished without the means. Means will be the putra, vitta, etc. Dara. इति साध्य साधन भेदेन उभे ही यस्माद् एते ऐषणे एव भवतः. Therefore, based on sadhya sadhana bheda, there are only two eshanas, two desires. So we may think I have so many desires. There are only two, for the means and for the goal. Tasmad brahmavido nasti karma karma sadhanam va. Therefore, for a brahmajnani, neither there is karma nor there is karma sadhanam. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti मूर्ति भेद विभागिने व्योमवद् व्याप्त देहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.